Alrighty, good day and welcome. My name is Mr. JB and today we are going through another PhotoPea tutorial. Today we're going to be going through removing a simple colored background. So in this we are removing everything that is in the black, and we can invert it later to do what we need to do, but for the time being we are just going to get rolling with this. So I've dropped in my image, I've selected my rectangle select, which is in the top left of my screen. I'm going to select my entire space, press Ctrl C. That will create a copy of this, which will be important for later. From there, we're going to press the new layer button, which is the bottom right beside the garbage can, and then we're going to delete our background layer. We're going to drag that into our garbage can just to make sure it's gone and it's out of our lives. From there, we're going to select our paint bucket, which is underneath your gradient tool, and you're going to make sure that it is set to black. You're going to end up changing your current screen to black, so you'll just click in the center or wherever, and that should do that. From there, we're going to click the camera button, which is adding a raster mask. Then we're going to press Alt and click. From there, we're going to press Ctrl V, which will drop in our bird image. If you switch over to the left and then switch back over to the right, you'll see that now everything is transparent. It's changed all of that white to black and vice versa. But now we can see that image. So if we wanted to drop this on a shirt or drop this on something, this is now perfect. We've got all of those transparent bits. Now, it is very transparent because our image wasn't perfectly white. It was kind of a bit of an off-white. So in order to adjust that, make sure that you have the right selected. If your image is off-white like mine was, we're going to go to adjustments and we're going to go to curves. And we're going to drag those curves up. And that will end up deepening that dark into that black. And now we end up having our image with a perfectly transparent background. Now, with that, that's all that we're going to go over in this tutorial. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope that you learned something. Have a wonderful day, take care, and be safe.